Hello, so it's Kelly from MG Caravans, and this is going to be the handover video for the Swift Carrera range. So when you turn up onto the site, if you have got mains power supply, you want to be plugging in the mains supply just there. So pull up the flap, slot it in, just into there. Then also on this side of the camper van, you have got your toilet cassette tank, which is just there. So when you unlock the toilet cassette just there, you've got the cassette itself. To empty it, you pull the handle up, slide it forward, pull it down. You've got a handle and then your wheels to wheel it to the waste disposal point. Got the compartment just there. As you move along from the cassette point, you've got the external shower point, which is just there, which will have the hose with your accessories. Then underneath there you have got the waste drain valve, just located under there. On the opposite side of the motorhome, you have got the fresh water drain valve there as well. So also on the near side of the camper van, you've got your gas barbecue point with your nozzle just there. So it just utilises the gas bottle that you've already got fitted inside the vehicle. You've also got your water fill point just there, which will fill on your onboard tank. So on the water infill as well, you've got the super fill option. So you can fill it from a external barrel to make it easier. On this particular model, being the 184, you've got the gas compartment, which is just located behind the two rear doors. So to get access to the gas bottle storage, just remove the cushions off of the rear seating area, pull the flap up, then you have got space for two gas bottles, so either the 4.5 or the 3.9s. So when your gas bottle is connected, you'll most likely need to reset the gas regulator just there. So you'll get a tool in your pack which will just pop that button in, which is just there, and then turn the gas bottle on, and then you'll get your gas supply bled through. So once you've turned on your gas supply, you'll find underneath the same side of the rear seating is your main supply unit for your 12-volt power and charging system. So when you're in storage, you want to make sure that your black button is turned up, so it's just shutting down all of the 12-volt system there. However, when this is turned off, your electric slide out step is not going to be working. So turn it on, you'll hear a beep. Then when you are connected into mains, you can use the buttons just on the end. So your charger, which when you're connected into mains will illuminate green, and then your heating and hot water to get power through the mains, that will also illuminate orange just there. You've got your 12-volt fuses, which are just there. So green light is good. If there is an error where the fuse has blown, it will illuminate red just underneath the fuse. You've also got the different locations of the fuses just there, so nice and handy. You've got the MCB trip switches, which are just like your household trip switches for the mains. So if you are experiencing that you haven't got main supply coming in, you can test it by just pressing the test button just there, and then if you have got mains coming in, it will trip. If it doesn't, then there's no power getting through, so just check your source of electrics. On this model as well, you have got a fusible spare for your water heater. So you just need to make sure that that is turned on if you are using the hot water supply on mains. Then you've got your built-in charger, which is just there. which you have different options there depending on what different battery you have got fitted. So if you've got lithium or standard lead acid, you can change the settings on there. So once you've got your 12-volt system all set up, to locate your panel, which is just above the door. So once the shutdown button switched on, this will automatically illuminate with the Swift sign just there. So press the on button. At the moment we've got no water in the tank, so it's just alerting you that there's no water supply available. So just press the back arrow, it will come up with your lighting, which you just press lighting on there. So at the moment we've got the dimmer lights turned on, which is just the lights above the cupboards. So if we turn that off on there, they'll all go out. You can adjust them as well, so it will just dim them down to whatever you would like just there. Your entry lights, which is the one just above the door. Awning light, which is your external light. You can also see what power supply is coming through as well and what the charging rates are. So currently we're plugged into mains. When you are disconnected from the mains, it will show that it is charging from your solar panel, which is just there. Your water levels here. So to turn the water pump on, your onboard pump, just press it on there. So at the moment, because we've got no water on board, it's just alerting our alarm. So turn that back off. It'll also give you indicate how much you have got in the tank, and then your waste water level as well, so there's no waste on board either. Your temperatures inside and out, and the humidity. Which is just there. And then your additional settings, so you can turn off the panel noises and things like that. Another thing to note is, so go onto your power supply, which is just there. So at the moment it's saying that your leisure battery is good. So you want to focus the charging of the system onto the leisure battery, which is just that bit on the back of the camper van showing that it is in the habitation. Press on there and then it will come up with charging. So it will just put all of the effort into there as well as your appliances that it is running. And then you can always change it over to the engine battery there, and you just press on it and then it will change it over to charging the engine battery. So next door to your main control panel, you have got your heating and hot water controls just here. So on button at the bottom of the panels, which is just there. So at the moment it's all the way up to there for the level of heat that it's coming through at. It does go on to a maximum of the setting all the way around. You can put it on like night mode and frost mode as well. You can select your power supply, so mains 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt or 3 kilowatt. So you just hold it down for it to get onto the section you want. On gas as well, so at the moment I haven't got any gas connected, so that will most likely show up as a fault. And so I'm going to leave it on the 2 kilowatt setting just there. We go over to the hot water system just here. So same again, you can change it to 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt or 3 kilowatt onto the gas system side of things, and then you can leave it on frost mode, or you can change the heating control all the way up through the settings just there. Then we move on to, so the fridge is just here. So to turn on the fridge, you just hold down the button just there. To adjust the temperature, just press the button again, and then you can adjust the temperature of the fridge freezer just there, showing that it's running off of the leisure battery just there. can set your settings up on there as well. On the settings on here, you've got 3 different modes, so performance, quiet and boost. So if you're just getting onto site, you want to put it onto boost and then just change it down to performance. The fridge freezer, you've got your light, fridge compartment, and then the freezer compartment just there. You've got your 2 gas burner hob just there. It has got electronic ignition, so to light them you just need to push down, turn, and then when the gas is coming through it will light just there. And the same with the other side as well. You've got your hot and cold water tap just there. Got your gas grill and combination oven just there. So the same as the hob, just push in and press the igniter and then it will light once you've got the gas on. Washroom, you've got the Thetford swivel cassette toilet with the electric flush. Also got an indicator to tell you when the toilet cassette is full. You've got the flip down sink just there with the hot and cold running water. Shower tap, water saving shower head. You've got clothes drying there as well with the light switch. You've got the vanity cupboard just there as well, and then the rope hook and the sliding door. So located in the rear cupboard you have got your solar panel controller just there. So you can see it's telling you that it is putting charge into the leisure battery, and it will show when your leisure battery is low on there as well. So on the windows as well you have got your blinds and fly screens there. Fly screen that goes across the back doors, and then one that goes across the habitation door as well just there. So in the driver's area you've got blinds to both side windows and then a full blind to the front. This is an automatic gearbox as well, and then you have got electronic handbrake release just there as well. Both driver's seat and passenger's seat both swivel round, so you've got the handle just there which releases, so then you can spin both seats around. You've got the on-off button there for the entertainment system, so then you can control the radio so you can have some music inside the camper van. It has got built-in sat-nav as well as DAB just there, and then you can connect your phone on there as well. Your climate controls just there with air conditioning, USBs and 12 volt points with the USB-C as well. Cup holders for driver's convenience. So thank you very much for listening. If you've got any more questions or queries, or I've missed something, then please let us know. On handover your vehicle will be set up, and our technician will be there to go through everything with you as well. Thank you.